welcome to my kettlebell class. Okay, so whenever you need more rest, make sure you pause the video and take as much rest as you need. Keep getting fluids on as well, keep drinking throughout. We're going to do 3 different exercises twice. Okay, so 30 seconds, 10 seconds rest. Like I said, if you need more rest, make sure you take it, but 2 30 seconds on each exercise, and there's 4 rounds. Okay, we're going to start with our warm-up first. Okay, get ready. We'll just start with marching on the spot. Get those arms moving, get those legs moving. So, deep breaths in and out, get that oxygen in. Another 10 seconds of this one. 5 seconds, and then we're going to go heel kicks to bum. Okay, so heel kicks, just turn side so you can see me. Up to down. Just lift the leg as high as you can, as long as those legs are moving and you're warming up, that's all that matters. Another 10 seconds of this one. And then we're going to do knee lifts. Lift them as high as you can. Really stretch. Doesn't matter how you do it, as long as you're warming up. Another 10 seconds of this one. Really stretch, keep breathing, get that oxygen in. And then we're going to open our chest, palms together, swing out. Keep breathing. Really open these muscles, warm it all up. 10 more seconds of this. And then I just want you to turn your palms up, swing out. Good. Good. Let's keep this nice and warm. 10 more seconds, we're going to go into waist twists. No, tell a lie, we're going to swing our arms up and down. That's it. Getting ahead of myself. Good. Really stretched up and back down. Stretch. 10 more seconds, then we're doing waist twists. Good, that's it. And waist twist. To the side, back to middle, to the side. Good. Just really warm everything up. Good. Nearly done. Another 10 seconds. Deep breaths. Then we're going to go into the wind wheel. Okay, so if you're up here twisting, that's absolutely fine as long as this torso is twisted. But if you can, touch down to your feet. Really stretch that torso. Again, keep breathing. Good. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. One more on this side, then we'll do the other side. Okay, I'll turn side view so you can see me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Good, really squeeze those hips, keep breathing. Good, keep going, keep going. 10 seconds left on this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, now we're going on to the right arm. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hand on that hip, up to eye level. Squeeze all those muscles. Good, near back, keep going. 10 seconds on this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. One more on that right arm. We're going to do a side view again for you. 5 seconds. And let's go. Squeeze the hips. Keep breathing in and out. Nearly there. 10 seconds left. Come on, last push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Grab a drink, everyone. Okay, this time we're going to work on our shoulders. So, first one you're going to do is again 3 exercises. First one, you're going to hold your kettlebell in the middle, upside down. And all you're going to do is you're going to push it up and back down. Okay, side view, up, back down. If you need to do this exercise seated, please do so that you've got a nice straight back and you don't have pressure here. Otherwise, keep your core nice and strong, back nice and straight. Really work with your shoulder muscles, okay? And again, if you don't, you can always put the weight down and do it without the weight if you need it to be easier, okay? First 30 seconds, off we go. Squeeze it up. Deep breaths in and out. Strong core. Good, keep going. Push it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more of those. Remember, nice straight back. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Good, keep going. Left of this exercise. Put as much into it as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Good. Your next one is going to be a single arm shoulder press, okay? So you're going to have your kettlebell on the back of your wrist like that, okay? Or obviously hold your dumbbell, hold your milk bottle, whatever you're holding, or just make a fist to make it easier, okay? So all we're going to do is here, press up, okay? So with your other hand, here, hold wherever you need to, but try not to move your body too much. Keep your shoulders nice and square. Again, you can sit down if you need to. First 30 seconds, ready? Off we go. It burns. Good, keep going. Another 10 seconds. Remember, drop it if you need to. Good, 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Remember, same arm this time. 5 seconds. Off we go. Keep breathing. You've got 10 seconds, remember. Keep it nice. Parallel if you need to, 5 seconds. And relax. Okay, other arm this time. Ready? Off we go. Good. Keep breathing. Strong core. Remember, drop it if you need to. Keep the arm pushing up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Last one on this arm. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Deep breaths in and out. Keep this exercise going. 10 seconds, remember drop if you need to. And relax. Grab a drink, everyone. Okay, next 3 exercises. Okay, first one is going to be squats, okay? So you're going to push that dumbbell down, kettlebell down the middle, swap it on your way up. Okay, so you're pressing down the middle, okay? First one, okay, 30 seconds, ready? Off we go. Swap at the top. Squeeze the hips. Good. Keep breathing. Good. Keep going. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. One more of those. 5 seconds. Get ready. Off we go. Swap at the top. Squeeze those hips. Remember, just do normal squats if you're struggling. Same side, relax, other side, relax, 10 seconds. Come on, last push. You're nearly there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And drop your weight, grab a drink. Okay, ready? So, you're going to need a mat now. So grab your mat, keep your weight with you. I'll check it that way. So remember, if you've got a towel instead of a mat, that's absolutely fine, as long as you're protecting your back, that's all that matters. So, first one is crunches. Okay, so feet flat on the floor, nice bent knees, back down. So your options are no weight or weight. So no weight, I just want you to put your hands on your temples, squeeze up so this part of the back lifts, your base of your back stays on the floor, so you're crunching. Okay, so down, up. Okay, so, or kettlebell, crunch, and if you want to make it really hard, kettlebell, push, down. Completely up to you, but I'm just going to do the basic kettlebell one, okay, with crunches. So, first 30 seconds, ready? Off we go. Crunch it. I know it's hard, but try not to hold your breath, keep breathing. Crunch those muscles. Deep breaths in and out. 10 seconds. Good. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. One more of those, okay? Ready? Off we go. Crunch it. Feel the burn. Nearly there. Seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Right, your next one is Russian twists. So, you can have your feet on the floor, lean back, and do Russian twists up here with your kettlebell or with no weight. don't hold that elbow. If you want a little bit more of a stretch, bend that elbow, pull it in. Good, hold that stretch. Good, that's it. And other side. Keep breathing. Good, and then I want you to put palms in the base of your back, squeeze those elbows together, open that chest, squeeze. Good. And then your legs, we need to put one foot forward, nice straight leg, toes up, lean on that bent one or lean on the wall. Feel that stretch all the way down the hamstring to the calf. Good, and then other side. And then I want you to go as far down as you can. If you're only to here, that's fine. Just as long as you feel that stretch. Good. And then just one leg. So lean on the wall if you need to. If you can't, pull your leg all the way back, lean that leg on a chair and stretch that quad. And then other side. Good. And then last one, I just want you to stretch the side. And the other side. Good. And make sure you drink plenty of